Listen to the sounds of Soap Lake as the people bowed and prayed to the sun they never made. Off we go, jolly well. This is a ride away from the Boy Scout camp in Soap Lake, the scene of many episodes of the soap opera at Soap Lake. 500,000, 400,000, 5,000, 10,000, 400,000, 250, 250,000, 5,000, 330,000, 5,000, 250,000, 5,000. Former mayor of Soap Lake, Hubdy's house, 0. Empty motel, 300,000. Brick house, 200,000. Log cabin mansion, 1 million. This old house, remodeling, 202,000. 7 waterfront lots, 100,000 apiece, with a development permit and the Soap Lake Streets of Dreams. Builders everywhere. Not a penny to spend, not a penny to spare. Where have all the children gone? Long time passing. Woo! Out of breath. Whew. It's a bounder, mate. It's for sale. It's by Fleetwood, and the price has been dropped. It's 34 feet, as is 89.50. Good luck with that. (206-348-6839). Call the number. We can give them maybe $5,000 and a contract for all their pennies for snap change. Soap Lake is snap changing. Soap Lake. Ooh. Snap change is changing. Soap Lake. Soap Lake is being changed by a snap change of snap change. Hello, Kanye. Why am I singing your song? 'Cause this is a Trump town, and you can come here and be the mayor and be the only black life that matters. in this town, this rural town. 4 hours from Seattle, 4 hours from Chaz, 4 hours from Chop that got chopped by the razzmatazz. Going down Main Street, gathering up all the pennies, putting them in my lake full of salt to wash away the pain, wash away the rain that's polluted from all the men who make money in vain. So I'll refrain from using the N-word. But man, if you ever been called a Hungarian, you know what? Yeehaw! Ukrainians, lives matter. They build 2 houses at a time and sell them for $200,000 to $250,000, like these two. And this is an exclusive beach over here, coming up on the left side of Ash Street. 6 minutes, 7 minutes, 8-minute men come to defend the rights of people everywhere. And I'm turning left, but I can't get over the hump. My hump, my ugly hump. My hump in the bump, oh. My hump in the bump, oh. Private property, $222,000. Ah, that's what we'll give them. This is the Federal Reserve of Soap Lake, where all the pennies are deposited to be cleaned up and then recycled in mint condition. Because salt and soap destroys viruses when they're mixed with copper. Yep. The Egyptians knew that. Why doesn't Dr. Fauci know it? Good question, ladies and gentlemen. Save your pennies and soon you will find out why all the dirty money is coming to be washed away. Black hole sun, won't you come and wash away the insane? Yep. Amen. God bless you. And you don't have to put on the red light anymore. Infinite freedom awaits you.